Hello everyone and welcome to another Investillionaire special. In this video, we'll be taking a look at a project that has huge potential to go upwards, and that is the Axie Infinity project and the AXS token, as well as our price forecast for it. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on CoinGecko and we're trying to see what Axie Infinity is all about. So scrolling down here, we do see that AXS is the governance token for the Axie Infinity game. Token holders will be able to shape and vote for the direction of the game universe. This is unlike traditional games where all decisions are made by the game developers. AXS holders will be able to stake their tokens to earn more AXS and even vote for governance proposals. So that is a game that is being developed, and there's other token that is called the Smooth Love Potion. The SLP token is used for the purpose of breeding and can be earned by winning battles and adventures in the game. It is not a governance token, therefore it is not used for voting. So far we don't have a lot of information except that it is a game and looks like that you're going to be able to stake it, and it has two tokens, the AXS token that's going to be used for governance, and another token that's the SLP that is used for breeding within the game. So but it's what is important about this game is that the model that this game is using. So this game uses a play to earn model, and that is the thing that is gonna make this blow up. Play to earn. So all the players they're getting in this game, they are expecting to make income from playing a game. Now this is crazy, but this is happening right now in the cryptocurrency space with this Axie Infinity game. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the tokenomics for this coin. So right now the price is around $37.67 per token, and we do see the market cap right now is around $2 billion, the 24-hour trading volume of 2 billion. And also we do see the total supply and the max supply. So the circulating supply is 55 million and the total supply is 270 million tokens. Now also keep in mind that this project is listed right now on Binance, so that it gives us safety when dealing with this token. Is still not considered high risk token because it's listed on one of the major exchanges, and that is Binance. So you can trade this coin safely for the time being, knowing that it is available on this exchange without worries. But now you can see that the price for this coin has started to go up absolutely parabolic. So start in the beginning of this month, you can see the price has risen all the way up from $4, $3 until the all-time highs, which was 3 days ago. So the all-time highs was around 49.20 cents. So right now it's 24% down the price, but it has been up since the all-time lows, which was 9 months ago. So since the all-time lows, as you can see, at around 12 cents, the price now has risen up significantly by this amount, which is 29,000%. That's the price increase. That's how much money it is going, and this is just the beginning, because right now what is happening with this project is that it is being used in a lot in Asia. So for example, in the Philippines, a lot of people are using this game, playing this game, because it's providing them with a decent income. For example, I think the average wage that the players can make with this game is around $1,000 a month, $1,000 US a month. That is like more than the average wage in the Philippines. It's actually more than double the average wage that people can get just by playing a game. So that's why everybody is getting into it. And it's actually expensive to play this game, but you are not really, it's not considered a game anymore. It's more like can be considered as work because it's providing income for the people. But the way that it's providing income is by playing a game, which is making it even better. I mean, who wouldn't love to play a game and make money out of it? So let's go ahead right now and just take a quick look into their website. And their website is called AXIEinfinity.com. So by the way, this is an Ethereum based contract, so you can buy it. You can buy it on these exchanges here. So now taking a look at their website, this is the main website that they have. So AXIEinfinity.com. They say battle, collect, earn, and as you can see here, they have a lot of number of active users. So right now they have 250,000 daily active players. All these players are playing this game, and the numbers just keep going up and up because everybody is coming to play and also realizing that they can make income with this. So also the Axies that are getting made, they can be sold. So they're telling you that the most expensive one was sold for 300 Ethereum. Now this is crazy. In addition to making the money that you can make by winning the games, you can sell these Axies and make a lot of income with that. So that is crazy amounts of money that can be made just by playing the game. So play to earn revolution. It's really a revolution. Axie is a new type of game partially owned and operated by its players. Earn AXS token by playing and use them to decide the future of the game. So they have a lot of modes right now. You can have a battle arena, adventure mode, breeding mode, and there is Axie Land, where you can buy parts of land within this game. And as you can see, the partners here that they have Binance, Samsung, and UBI Soft. So a lot of stuff going with this project, and is still being developed. It's still being actively developed. It is still not explored in many countries yet. Not everybody knows about this, but what's going to happen is that when a lot of people know about it, when a lot of people go into this game and they're trying to play it, they don't have to generate the Axies to be able to play the game. So what that's going to do is that's going to pump the price up for this token even way higher than this price point. You might think that this price point already right now is extremely high because at this price, you know, it's already up a lot. So over the last month, it has already made significant changes. But that is still the beginning. Why? Because the number of people playing this game is continuing to increase. And the way the model that this game is made, when you play to earn, that is also a huge factor, and it's gonna drive the price up for this coin in the coming weeks and months and years to come. So what you can do right now with this coin is you can get in while you still can, but it has to be a long-term play. You get in now, and if you have the time, or you'd like to explore playing the game, then that's another excellent opportunity to make money from playing a game. Also, you can stake the coin. You can stake your actually cake tokens right now on PancakeSwap. So if you head over to PancakeSwap, you can stake your cake and earn the Axie tokens. It's only for a limited time, and there is a maximum, I think, amount that can be staked, but still you're making this coin for free. If you are too scared to invest in it directly, you can invest in cake and then use the cake to generate this token for you, and then see where the price goes from this point forward. So very exciting project, guys. Now with that being said, remember guys that this is not financial advice. We're not financial advisors. This video is made only for entertainment and educational purposes, and you should always make your own research. You must do your own research. You must look into any investment that you want to do before doing it, because you are the only person that is responsible for your future and for your wealth. All we can give you is we can give you indications. We can tell you what the market is doing right now. And at the end of the day, you are the person who is responsible for pulling the trigger. You have the one that has to say, okay, this makes sense. This is a great opportunity. Nothing like this exists right now, and I'm going to go into this. You have to take it. You have to be brave. You have to do it. Nobody's going to pull the trigger for you. We can talk about this for days and months. At the end of the day, you have to have your own will, your own conviction that this is a project that you are interested in and that you believe in. And now, with that being said, we strongly believe in this project, and we do believe that the price will continue to go up higher in the coming months and years as the number of players increases and as this game gets more exposure into other countries, because it is basically providing an extra source of income that was not available before for players. So that's what makes this game unique, and that's why I decided to get in, at least for the short to medium term. This is very good, and if you can stake the coin, you can make more money with that. So with that being said, guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.